cocktail. We're going to start off with our ice to chill our cocktail. Just pour that into your glass. And then we're going to add in 1 ounce of dry vermouth. Now make sure that you keep your vermouth refrigerated and it will last a lot longer. Next we're going to add 1 ounce of gin, and any brand will do, so just pick your favorite. Then we're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of anise, which is going to have a nice licorice flavor, just like that, just a little bit of a splash, and 2 dashes of bitters. And if you like your drink with a little bit more bitters in it, as I do, go ahead and add more to your taste. Alrighty. Next, we are going to go ahead and shake this up. And then we're going to strain this into a cocktail glass. Put your strainer right on top, hold it on nice and tight, and pour. Last, we are going to garnish this with an orange twist, just like so. And there you have it, a turf cocktail. Cheers.